And what's good, YouTube, man? It's Corey Ratcliffe, and you're tuning in to Corey's Phone Trader Channel. We're back with another bang for the second time, bang for the third time, banger. We took some trades today, guys. So we took one trade on our 50K Apex funded account, and the other account that I was trying to get funded was this My Funded Futures 50K account. I only needed $520 more, and I'm going to show you guys whether we did or not. But first, let's start with this 50K Apex funded account trade on gold. I'm sick of gold right now. All right, guys, so we are on micro gold on the 1 hour time frame. So gold had finally broke out of this trend line, man. So I've been looking for buys. We're in a buy market now, I think, with gold, man. So my reasoning behind this trade is because we broke out of the trend line, and then we stopped up here. We touched the liquid zone to the left. Over here, we went past this previous high, so that created a supply and demand on the 1 hour time frame. And I just got in for a supply and demand trade, man. I took this trade, what time I took this? I took this about 6 this morning, man. So I thought it was a good setup, but as you can see, it went against me. Gold always does this to me. I'm so sick of gold because I feel like it is watching my trades. Dang, man. Oh my gosh, man. Gold has been giving me a headache, man. I said today, I've been in a comment section telling people that, man, I'm tired of gold, but I wanted to give gold one more shot, man. It's like I don't want to give up on gold, man, but gold be doing me dirty here lately, man. I'm like, man, me and gold is about to break up. Right now, I can't catch it with gold. I lose, I catch it. I lose, I catch it. I lose, I catch it. What's been going on, guys, is all my winning good trades have been coming from NASDAQ. I will win a good trade from NASDAQ, then go back to gold because I don't want to give up on gold, and then I'll lose with gold. So I'll win with NASDAQ, lose with gold. Win with NASDAQ, lose with gold. Sick of you. Dang. So I saw this 1 hour demand setup. Only reason I took this trade is because the market broke this high. So it left some gaps. Beautiful gap, actually. 1, 2, 3, 4 beautiful yellow strong candles. Got this red candle right here. Got that gap. It tapped it perfectly. This was the trade right here. I risked about $240 something, but then I kept moving my stop loss down because I'm like, maybe it'll catch it, maybe it'll catch it, maybe it'll go back up. So I ended up losing about $255 on this trade and some change, man. But I thought that, hey, look, it respected it once, and then it took off to a 1 to 3. Look at these 3 candles. It respected it once again, twice, for the third time. I'm like, man, it don't want to go down any further. I might as well put in for a buy. I thought it was going to try to come up here and grab this again, man. But as you can see, this thing just tanked and went to the freaking sink, man. So I ended up losing this freaking trade because gold just be doing me dirty, man. But that's where the account is, guys. We were just at 51,000. We are back down all the way to $50,749. We lost $255.68. It's like I cannot get above $51,500. That's the max this account has ever been. It's been almost a month and 2 weeks. And the account just keep ranging from $50,500 to $51,500. It just keep ranging in there, man. Next week, I'm pushing this thing over, man. I'm gonna make sure I find the right setup, but I'm pushing this thing over. I'm gonna tell you why. You want to know why, guys? Why I feel like pushing it over? Because of this account, man. Y'all, I got some good news. So I drew this out right. I drew this out right here, guys. So we've been bouncing in between on micro NASDAQ on a 5-minute time frame. This right here, guys, this line right here, let me go to the 4-hour time frame. How about that? You see this right here? That's all-time high right there. So remember that white line right there. That is all-time high. Now if we go to the 5-minute time frame, so I just took some trades. I'm gonna be honest, man. I tried to catch it, and I broke even on all these trades except for the one you see highlighted. I got in for a sale right here, and then it went against me. I moved my stop loss so fast, and then it ended up hitting TP. And then I end up getting in again, and then it hit my stop loss again, and then it ended up taking off. And then I'm like, oh my gosh, I keep selling myself short. Each time I took a trade, it would have hit my TP of $525 so I could pass this thing, man. So I said, okay, I noticed that this line is being respected right here. So I end up drawing this out. I'm like, this thing doesn't want to come back down. So this was news. This was non-farm payroll or something like that. NFP news. So NFP took off. Then normally when news happen with NASDAQ, it'll either go to the downside and then make it up and then continue down. Or like today, news made it push up, and then the market came to re-grab some of those gaps and then took off. That's what normally happens when big news come out. Today, news made it go skyrocket, came to test some of those gaps or fill some of those gaps and then took right back off. I knew this was going to happen. I knew when the market took off like this, it was going to come retrace, grab some gaps, and then take right back off. As you can see, good gracious, googly moogly, it took off, man. I said, you know what? This line right here is all-time high, previous all-time high. I believe that the market is going to go past that. I said, I'm going to get in and I'm going to close the phone, man. And I'm just going to say a prayer and hope this thing hit, man. So I set my trade, guys, at about 8:25 before the market opened. I set it at 8:25 a.m. and I closed my phone. And I'm like, hopefully news will push this joker out. And guys, I lie to you not, man. I closed the phone at 8:25. I opened my phone back up at about 8:40, 8:35, somewhere in there. And my TP got hit, y'all. I only needed a 1-to-1. I don't know why I put it way up there. Only needed somewhere in there. Guys, I checked 10 minutes later and my trade hit quick. So I went down to the 1-minute time frame and the market shot out of the cannon soon as the market opened at 8:30 a.m. My TP was hit, guys. Mission passed, baby. We got a My Funded Futures 50K funded account coming, man. As you guys can see, we passed it. We made $524.10. Only needed $520 more. We made $4 extra. We passed it, man. But guess what, guys? Something else I'm going to show you. I started another account. And I'm going to tell you why. So My Funded Futures has a deal going on right now where it's 50% off. So I bought a starter account for like $48, $49. And if I pass it, then there's no activation fee anyway. So when I pass this thing, I've only paid $50 for this account pretty much. So I went on and bought me another My Funded Futures account for $48, $49. Because they got a deal going on right now for 4th of July sale, 50% off. I'm like, man, that's crazy, man. Let me get another one. So go back to the account that I passed. So I bought this account last week. So My Funded Futures is supposed to honor this because when a deal was going on last week, they said if you buy one of these accounts and then you pass it, you will get another free eval. So I'm waiting. I'm gonna be waiting next week for them to send me, you know what I'm saying, my free eval. So hopefully Monday, when I turn my phone back on or whatever they do, I will have 3 accounts. I will have 1 funded, my funded futures, and then 2 my funded futures evals. Hopefully it play out like that. If not, I gotta call or email my funded futures to make sure I get my free eval. But guys, we passed it, man. And we should soon later have 3 accounts, 1 funded and 2 evals. And we still gotta work on this one. I'm gonna tell you what, y'all. I should take my mindset to this. It seems like the more I don't care, the more crazy trades I take, I pass the eval. But the accounts that I care about, it's like when I care so much about the funded account, I don't do too good. But when I don't care, it works. I don't care, it works. I care, it don't work. I should transfer this over here. I might try that next week, man. Good grief. I don't get it, man. Nevertheless, man, we are down. Goodness, man, this Apex 50K account and that Take Profit Trader Pro account, man, that's gone. But had these accounts for almost a month and a half, and it seemed like I got my butt cheeks tight, and I want to make sure I do the right trade and use proper risk management, discipline, don't get greedy. And it's like that's where I'm at, a month and a half. But I passed my funded futures 50K account in 4 days. It's like, man, bro, maybe I gotta step on the gas or something, man. Cause it's like, I realized that today, man. Like, the more I don't care, the more I don't give a flying saucer is when I pass the accounts with ease. It's when I get the funded accounts. It's like, that's when everything is going so slow. Good grief. Man, can I have some of that momentum on my funded account, please? Next week, man, I might just put my foot on the gas when it come to this 50K Apex funded account, man. I don't know, guys. I'm gonna give it a shot, man. You know, I'm not gonna be stupid or crazy, but when I see something and everything is lining up, I might just take it. It's like that trade that I took to pass this account is not in my normal setup. You know, I just saw that the market did retrace a little bit after news came out, but after it didn't retrace down any further, every indication gave me that this thing wanted to keep pumping, because that's normally how when news work with NASDAQ. Like, that's not in my normal scaling plan. That's not in my normal scaling plan or my trading plan. I just took the trade because it gave me every indication that it wanted to pump up. Maybe I should have took that trade with my Apex 50K funded account, man. But oh my gosh, man, I'm gonna change some things next week, because it's been a long time. Dang. We got another funded account though, so this funded account is gonna go in place of the Take Profit Trader 25K Pro funded account that I blew due to getting top teeth and bottom teeth. So we got another replacement, guys, man. That's good, and we got 2 more evals, man. 1 on the way. Make sure you like the video, make sure you subscribe, make sure you click that notification bell for more videos and bangers. Where's the phone trader guy coming out, y'all? I'll see you guys next week, man. Be ready, stay tuned in. It's about to get lit, man. I'm gonna keep this same mindset when it comes to this my funded futures account. I'm risking $250 per trade straight out the gate. We're not finna play nice guy no more. I've been playing nice guy for a month and a half, and look where I'm at. So next week, we keeping that same momentum. We're shooting for the stars. We not using proper risk management. That's out the window. We're gonna press the gas a little bit and keep the momentum going. We're gonna see. You know what I'm saying? If I start doing bad, then I'm gonna go back to my regular scaling plan and, you know what I'm saying, my normal thing. But we finna keep this momentum going, because this account is on fire. I got funded in 4 days. So yeah, we finna keep that up. Mash the gas. So peace, blessings, love y'all. See y'all next week. And you know the motto after every video. In 3, 2, 1. And I holla. Peace out, baby. Funded account, baby. Deuces.